Hi everyone, today I'm doing a YouTube review for Macks. I got this out to try. The one they have different types of earplugs out there. There's the ultra soft, snore blockers, and Dreamgirl earplugs. And today, this is the ones that I'm going to be trying. It's called Dreamgirl earplugs. So basically, this is how they look. You squeeze them and then you just roll it up some and then you try to put it as far as you can into your ears and you wait a bit and it'll expand. So I looked it up and the typical decibels for earplugs is up to around 30, 33, and for this specific type by Macks it goes up to 30. So I was trying, because I was curious to see how it worked with a directional saw, to see how, if I would be able to hear most of the sound or if some of it would be blocked or not. But anyway, we'll see what happens. So I'm going to have something cut when this expands. The one side seems to expand it pretty well, but the other, it's still taking some time. So that's one, I guess, kind of downside, because sometimes with other brands it expands faster. But so far it is comfortable compared to the other brands that I tried. So now I'm going to have something cut. And then after I have something cut, I'm going to also try with the compressor and see if, with that type of power tool, if I would be able to hear anything or not. Because typically for power tools, I believe it's around 90, but and sometimes people use different types for when they're at gunnery, but that's even higher, so it's like maybe around 160 or so. But these only help up to 30, so you're still going to hear some type of sound, but I'm just curious how much sound to be blocked. So with the one side, it was pretty well for the sound, not as loud as normal. But I noticed on the other side, it's still kind of not as expanded. So I'm not sure if just maybe I didn't squeeze it enough, or if it's just the way it is. But now I'm going to try with a compressor and see how that goes. So the compressor, I can still hear the sound, but